How to solve Instagram block problem. Hello everyone, my name is Smile here to guide you through the way. So today I will show you how you can search for the person that you have already blocked on your Instagram account. To do that, what you can simply do is, first of all, make sure that you have installed, and if you have already installed, then make sure that you have updated your Instagram account, because you might miss out some of the new features if you don't do so. If you have already done so, then open your Instagram account and now tap on the down right profile which you have on your screen. On the top right side, you will see there are three vertical lines, and on three vertical lines tapping, a new pop-up will be seen in your screen. In this pop-up, there are many options. When you scroll down and down, here you can see the option of block. So the person I have blocked will not be seen on my Instagram account. So for making them visible while I search them is simply unblock them on my Instagram account. Again, go on the Instagram page, and now when I search for this person, they will simply be shown in my search bar. So try to unblock them, then they will be seen, and you will not face the problem of them not being seen in your Instagram. I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do simply subscribe for more videos like this. That's all for today. See you on the next video.